What's up guys, Blackview is going to launch a new smartphone BV9900E. It is powered by Mediatek Helio P90 chipset, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone have a water drop notch above the screen. The camera of the Blackview BV9900E is equipped with autofocus. Autofocus is a camera feature that fine-tunes the focus of the camera. It is a nice feature of this smartphone. So it has a quad camera setup at the back of the phone. It comes with the main 48 megapixel camera from Sony, 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel macro camera and a depth camera. And have a drop notch for the front camera, which is the 16 megapixel. It is waterproof up to 1.5 meter in depth for 30 minutes and fully dust proof. The Blackview BV9900E runs on Android operating system 10 out of the box, but the firmware can be upgraded to a newer version of operating system. One of the good things is it can operate in minus 30 degrees centigrade to 55 degrees centigrade temperature. It has a 5.84-inch Full HD display, 6GB of RAM, 128GB internal storage and a 4380 mAh non-removable battery gives the smartphone a good battery backup. It also supports fast charging and wireless charging. The smartphone has a built-in GPS receiver. It comes with NFC functionality for transferring content with other NFC-enabled devices. So the link is available in the video description. You can click on add to cart now on AliExpress to get the super surprise. So that's all for now. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.